Hey, it's Michael Saul with the Stock Market Trading Watch List for Wednesday, August 26, 2011. It's going to be short and sweet tonight. I'm just going to go over a couple of indexes and a couple of stocks here. Looks like we've started a pullback. Of course, I've said that before, here and here. Didn't lead to much, all right? But there's a lot of uncertainty in what's going to be announced over in that European bailout plan, just giving the market the jitters here. I'd like to see a pullback into the end of October. I've been talking about this, all right? It was a distribution day, but I'm not changing my opinion, right? It's just one distribution day. So until they start lining up, there's nothing to get crazy about with that. The rally is failing, all right? I'd like to see a pullback into these moving averages, preferably, or Fibonacci retracement of this swing up, all right? On the short term, it's going to be very news sensitive to see what happens and what is finally decided in the European bailout plan, or I guess a better word is the backstopping plan. So once we get a better feel, or we get a better idea, I guess, of what's going to happen there, I think it'll be easier to kind of lay out some potential market swings. Right now I think intraday is the safest way to be here. I mean, we look like we were going to beeline right for that 200 day, but didn't quite make it. The rally was stuffed. Here's the Russell down 3%. All right, looking at the moving averages here to come in as potential support or this little consolidation. I'm skipping the NASDAQ. I'll get to it eventually. Let's look at the semiconductors with a pause day. Broadcom down after hours. All right. Watch the 50-day moving average if it opens around near there. Banks. All right, down over 3%. So this breakout in jeopardy if it comes back down through it. Look at some stocks there. Bank of America. Okay, it's still under that 50-day, so until it gets over that, upside will likely be capped. Here's JP Morgan. Okay, Citigroup. Okay, broker-dealer. An ugly day. Ugly red candle, at least. Down nearly 4%, or 3.8%, whatever you want to call it. Goldman. Okay. Take a look at Goldman, Morgan, cyclicals, right back under the 89 EMA, biotechs, we're looking at them, down 2.22%, all right, GLD, nice day, up 2.8%, silver, SLV, also, nice day, up 4%. OIL was working on a real nice day, but then wound up closing below the open. OIH down nearly 2%. Okay, let's get to the NASDAQ now. All right, down over 2%, back below the 78.6% retracement again, and will likely open lower because Amazon whiffed. Whoops. At their earnings release. So if it opens around where it's saying, TradeStation saying the after hours session closed, that'll be close to the 200-day. I'd be watching that 200-day very carefully. All right, could be a nice potential intraday trade. Marriage, I have no idea. Just looking for short term now. Atlas Pipeline, I have no idea. But Apple, which is what I wanted to pull up, I came in with light volume, which is good, but still, I mean, including after hours trading, down 2.25%. Google, all right. See if this pattern leads to a break one way or the other. Right now, we can get rid of the triangle and put more of the horizontal here. See if it breaks one way or the other. Here's Baidu. Into the 200-day as potential resistance. Here's Cena. 50-day as potential resistance with the inside day. Research in motion. Still just can't get out of its own way. Somebody wrote in, wanted me to look at Microsoft. I mean, to me, it just looks more sloppy than anything. Don't really see a strong trend there, directional trend there. Is Intel ripping it. Wow. A nice move here. Okay. Nice reversal off of these lows, and then we just zoomed up. What was the other one that they wanted to look at? IBM. Yeah, somebody wanted me to take a look at IBM. All right, push up. Everybody was talking 200. Now this could actually be a stealth, what's known as a stealth bear flag. Okay, because you got the gap, which is the impulse, but it's still in an uptrend. But if this confirms and this breaks this, watch for a retest of these moving averages down here in the 174 area. All right, that's it. We're in wait and see mode. See what comes out of news comes out of Europe. Have a great trading day on Wednesday. I'll talk to everybody again on Thursday.